Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods Pro to your iPhone 11, at first you have to open charging case of your earphones or of your AirPods, then move to the settings, click on the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and when you are here we got our AirPods Pro, so we can simply tap on them to connect. So click, and if you have a problem and they are not appears on the list, all you have to do is just to rotate the case, then click and hold this button until this indicator blinks on the white color, then turn to the green, and after that it will be just available to pair, right? So we have to tap like I did, and as you can see right now they are connected. When we put this AirPod to our ear, we can hear this characteristical sound, and it means that they are connected and ready to use. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!